Lions entered the buffalo herd's territory with hopes of hunting large prey. They tried to isolate a buffalo, but the wild buffalo's strong charges deterred the lions, making the hunt difficult. Early morning, a hungry lion patiently stalked its prey, then swiftly attacked, gripping the pregnant zebra's throat. Despite weak resistance, the zebra couldn't rise, and both her life and the unborn child's hung in the balance. Two horses charge, and the yellow horse kicks the opponent. It's unclear who won as the yellow horse tries to escape the black horse's attacks. A herd of wild horses flees, with a huge bear in hot pursuit. Two lions rest on lush grass when a carefree zebra dashes into view. One lion quickly pounces, securing the prey with its sharp teeth. A satisfying meal follows, quelling their hunger. A leopard stealthily tracks a migrating herd of zebras, waiting for the right moment to strike. When the opportunity arises, it pounces on a smaller prey, clamping its jaws around the prey's neck. Despite the mother zebra's fierce counterattack, the leopard secures its meal. A baby hartebeest was teased and trampled by a zebra. The mother tried to intervene, but had to yield as the zebras persisted in tormenting the young hartebeest, chasing and kicking it, causing pain. In fierce battles, wild zebras exhibit unexpected aggression. An experienced old zebra combats a belligerent young one, engaging in back kicks and headbutts, with no serious injuries inflicted. The prolonged conflict ends only when one of them retreats. A zebra narrowly escaped a crocodile near the river, but its luck ran out when it encountered two lions on the bank. One lion swiftly seized its neck, sealing its fate as a meal. Suddenly, two lionesses appeared, attacking another zebra that couldn't escape, meeting a similar end. The lion, often hailed as the Lord of the Jungle, finds itself bewildered by hyenas, a rare sight. While 3 to 4 hyenas are no match for an adult lion, a dozen or more present a formidable challenge. Hyenas employ their pack tactics, surrounding and relentlessly attacking their prey. The male lion, fatigued and less agile, struggles against their continuous biting. Despite biting one hyena, others keep coming. However, the arrival of a second lion turns the tide, as 2 lions prove too much for the hyenas to handle. A mother giraffe tries to protect her injured baby. After the baby giraffe dies, a jackal approaches but is chased away by the mother. Later, a hyena and a lioness try their luck, but are also driven off. Even a male lion fails to secure a meal. A newborn buffalo, taking its first uncertain steps in life, is suddenly attacked by a hyena without a chance to call for help. The hyena then calls its fellow hyenas to join in the feast. A lioness' appearance makes the zebras scatter. One zebra is caught by the lioness, and the others try to help by biting the lioness to aid their trapped comrades' escape. A pack of jackals surrounds an antelope, wary of its horns. The antelope charges, but the battle ends with its front legs broken, forcing it to flee from the jackals.